Hi everyone, welcome to our PCB Arts YouTube channel. My name is Yannick and I'm the product manager for our WaferPhase systems. In today's video we're going to make an unboxing of the WaferPhase 2. The machine will be delivered in this box on a pallet. Inside the package you will find the accessories box on top and the machine itself. On the sides you have these carton covers for protection during transportation. The machine is delivered with some accessories including the power cord for power supply, an SD card adapter for plugging the microSD into your computer, a funnel to fill up the cooling system, gloves to take out the PCB if needed, a brush for cleaning, a syringe to take out the galden from the process chamber if needed, safety data sheets, and some flyers. And last but not least, the delivery contains your WaferPhase machine. It comes with a 4-inch touchscreen display for easy usability. The WaferPhase is equipped with a height adjustable lift for varying the PCB position in the process chamber, allowing fast temperature adjustments around the PCB and driving precise soldering profiles. Therefore, the machine uses cables coming out of the lid and connecting the lift with its mechanics underneath the housing. Soldering can be observed via the window of the process chamber, which is lighted up by LEDs. To monitor all temperatures in the process chamber, the machine has 4 thermocouples attached to a heater to measure the heater temperature, 1 dipped into the galden to measure the galden temperature, and 1 adjustable thermocouple placed on the PCB level for temperature tracking around the PCB. On the backside of the machine you find the plug-in for the power cord and the main switch. Since the WaferPhase 2 is equipped with an integrated cooling system, it can be operated autonomously without the need of an active water supply. Through the service flap on the bottom side, water can be released from the internal tank and pipes. Also, you will find 2 small buttons on the backside of the machine, one used for entering the bootloader menu when installing a firmware update, and the second one for running a self-test on the machine. We hope this video makes it easier for you to understand the features and functionalities of our system. For further documentation, latest firmware updates and soldering profiles, you can check out the link in the description. This is Yannick from PCB Arts. Thank you for watching and see you next time.